All new at 5:30, supporters of the Affordable Care Act say the focus should now be on improving the law, not replacing it. And they believe women hold the key to changing public perception. 10 TV's Jim Heath joins us live from the newsroom with more on that. Jim?
Kurt, supporters of Obamacare say women will benefit by the health care law, but they admit that they've been very slow to get that word out. They say nearly 27 million women gained services this past year for things like mammograms and cervical cancer screenings. And they say starting next year, nearly 19 million uninsured women will have new opportunities for coverage. Stephanie Kite from Planned Parenthood in Ohio says opponents will have questions to answer next year.
A year from now, when we start seeing really bad health outcomes like unintended pregnancy rates in our young people rising, cancer rates rising, that's when the real horror will set in, frankly, for all Ohioans.
Now, on the other side of this, Republicans point to polls showing that Obamacare still is unpopular with the majority of Americans. Some senators, in fact, in Washington, D.C. have threatened to shut down the federal government later this year to defund it. Kurt?
Jim, Planned Parenthood had threatened to go take the governor to court over the anti-abortion bills that he signed earlier this year. Where does all that stand?
Yeah, we asked about that, Kurt, this morning. They say they're still considering it, but Republicans counter all this, that voters put the governor and these pro-life lawmakers into office, and supporters acknowledge that they need to do a better job now of selling the benefits of this health care law, and that's what they plan on doing in the coming months. Live from the newsroom, Jim Heath, 10 TV News.